Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hoping you all are fine, enjoying good health. My name is Mariam and I am your maths teacher. So, dear class, as you know, nowadays we are doing our second term topics. So, the topic of the day is multiplication converting ones, and it's on countdown page number 72 and 73. So, all of you get ready. Before we start our lesson, first of all, we will take moral lesson. So, all of you, the moral lesson of the day is hard work is key to success. ठीक है, which means मेहनत कामयाबी की कुंजी है. तो आप अपनी डेली रूटीन से भी एग्जांपल्स ले सकते हैं कि जो लोग मेहनत करते हैं या जो स्टूडेंट्स मेहनत करते हैं, दे स्टैंड फर्स्ट इन क्लास and those are the brilliant students, instead of those students who don't pay attention to their studies and get low grades. So hard work is key to success. This is the main point, that hard work is always a key to success. So dear students, now come to the topic of the day. The topic of the day is multiplication converting ones. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. In other words, we can also say that to avoid the repeated addition, we do multiplication. On the right hand side you can see this is the sign of multiplication. ये multiplication का sign होता है. And first of all I will give you a little example. After that we will do few sums. We will multiply 2-digit number with the 1-digit number. So here is the simple example here, dear student. This is the multiplication where we are multiplying 3 with 5. 3 5s are 15. The total, instead of we count all the apples, we have multiplied 3 apples with the 5, and you can see the answer is too quick. 3 5s are 15. The total apples are 15. Dear students, now we are going to watch a video where we will learn that how to multiply 2-digit number with the 1-digit number. All of you have to listen very carefully. So here it starts.
Hello children, in this video we are going to learn how to do multiplication of a 2-digit number by a single digit number. Let's take an example. As we saw in the last video, we took an example of a dog, and our dog has how many legs? 4 legs. And let's say we have total of 10 such dogs, and we want to find out how many total legs are there. So we write it down like this. We have 10 dogs, so we write 1 0 10 here, multiply by 4 legs in each dog, correct? So total number of dogs are 10, multiply by 4 legs in each dog, and we would like to find out how many total legs are there, right? Funny problem, but that's okay. It's a good problem to let's solve it, okay? So we'll write it like this. 10 multiply by, we represent as x, and 4. So this is called as multiplicand. This is the multiplier, and what we are going to find out is the final value, which is the product. So we start from take the multiplier, and we start from the units position. That is, we in multiplication we go from right to left, okay, in this direction. So we do 4 multiply by 0. 4 multiply by 0, we know anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Then we take the same 4 and then multiply by the next position, that is 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So the final, and there is no other digit here, so the final answer is 40. That is 10 dogs each have 4 legs, so we have total of 40 legs. Okay, let's take another problem. let's say there are 24 children and each of them are having 5 pencils each, and we would like to find out how many total pencils are there in this class having 24 children. So we write 24, the multiplicand, we write the x sign, and then we write 5 here, which is a multiplier. To ensure you write this 5 just below the ones position of the multiplicand. Now we again multiply this 5 with each of these digits going from right towards left. Okay, that is starting from ones position, then going to tens position, and if it's a bigger number, going to hundreds position. So 5 multiplied by 4 is how much? 20. So we write 20. So 20 is 20, right? So we take the ones position, that is 0, and then we write the 2, which is like just in addition, just the way we do carryover. Here we do a carryover and we put 2 here. 5 multiplied by 4 was 20, of which 0 we write here and 2 moved there. Then we again take the 5 and multiply by the next number, which is this number, which is 10th position number. So 5, not by this number, remember, we multiply by these bigger numbers. So first we did 5 4s are 20, we got 2 0, 2 we put here and 0. Then we take 5 and multiply by 2, 24. If it was 34, we multiply 5 by 3. So here is 24. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and then we add 2, which was a carryover from the previous one. So it was 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Then we add this 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Again 12 is composed of 2 digits. So we write 1 digit here. The ones position digit within 12 ones position digit is 2. And the tens position we move it here. But as there is no digit here, because this was a 2 digit number only, we write that of the 112 1 back here. So the problem is solved. So 24 multiplied by 5 is 120. That is 24 children having 5 pencils each. We have total of 120 pencils in this class. Let's take another problem. Let's say we have 42 children now, and each of you are having 7 pencils this time, and we want to find out how many pencils are there. So we write 42 multiplied by 7. We start again from 7 multiplied by 2. We go from, take the same 7 and we multiply each digit of it going from right to left, that is from ones position towards left side, that is tens position, then 100 position. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, of which 1 4, right? So we write 4 here, and 1 goes where? To the next position, to the smaller. We write this number as smaller so that we are not confused between this and this. So we write 7 2s are 14, of which 1 the left digit, the ones we write here 1 and 4. So 14, 7 2s are 14. Now again we multiply 7 4s. Don't look at this number while multiplying. This or the addition we have to do later on. So we do 7 4s are 28 plus 1. 28 plus 1 is 29. We have only one digit here, so we write the ones digit here. So 29. 7 4s are 28 plus 1, 29. So we write 9 here, and we move 2 to the next digit, but there is nothing here, so of the 29, 2 we write it back here, right? So very simple. 42 multiplied by 7 is equal to 294. So that is all for today, children. We will see some more problems next time. Till then, bye bye. Hello children.
Okay, dear class, I hope you have enjoyed learning about the multiplication converting ones, where we have multiplied 2-digit number with the 1-digit number, and that was very interesting. And dear students, this topic is on countdown page number 72 and 73. You can also do lots of sums on that page as your practice. Okay, dear class, Allah Hafiz, take care.